What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money selling Nike shoes online. Now, this is something that I'm not the first person to do this, and I'm definitely not going to be the last person, but I want to show you step by step exactly how you can make money selling Nike shoes online. Now, I'm going to show you an example, okay? This is a shoe. I purchased this, pretty much this exact same shoe in different colors. I've purchased this several times. Just recently, probably within the last day or so, 2 days ago actually, I purchased this pair of shoes, okay? This pair of shoes for $3 at Marshall's. $3. It's a brand new shoe, okay? Brand new shoe, okay? Never even touched the ground. Brand new shoe. Now, the reason why I want to show you this and why I'm using this shoe as an example is because number one, I'm pretty sure we can all agree this is not the best colored shoe. This is a horrible colorway, okay? And so with that said, I want to show you what this shoe actually sells for. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you right now what this shoe is currently selling for on eBay and what maybe it's going for on Amazon. So this is the shoe right here, okay? I typed in the actual name with the Nike number and it popped up with this one, the Nike Men's Eric Koston 2s. Which is what this is. However, like I said, this is a horrible colorway. It didn't sell, okay, or doesn't sell. It's not even on Amazon. So we can see here, number one, it's selling for a pretty good amount, over $50. But what is this color going for? Well, that's why we had to go to eBay. And let me explain why I look at both Amazon and eBay. Most people that I talk to, they say, well, yeah, of course you can sell Nike, but I can't. I can't sell this shoe, this Nike shoe, on Amazon. The reason why? It's not there. Okay, so obviously I can't sell it on Amazon. But where could I sell it? Well, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you like where you should be going to find the shoes. But the two places you should be selling shoes, number one, Amazon, or number two, eBay. eBay is an incredible place, an incredible platform to actually sell Nike shoes, Adidas, Under Armour, Ralph Lauren. There's so many different brands. You find them, you put them on eBay, you sell them, you make some money. Now, let me show you what this shoe is going for on eBay. So, if we look on eBay, I typed in Nike Men's Eric Koston 2. This is the photo blue, okay? It's a photo blue something wolf gray. And this one right here, size 10. So if we look right here, we can see there's no the matching results. We can scroll all the way down. I already did this, okay? And so this shoe is right here. It was sold on January 29th, so about a month ago. And this was pre-owned, sold for $15 with $12 shipping. If I click on that, you can see it right here. Look at this shoe, okay? Exact same shoe, exact same one. Okay, there it is again. This is used. There it is again. This is a used shoe sold for $15 on bid. $15 for the winning bid, $12 shipping. So $27 into it. This shoe right here, okay, I do not have the box. I have both brand new pair of shoes, okay, size 10. I do not have the box. If you've ever purchased something from Marshall's, a lot of times the shoes that are going for the cheapest do not have a box. So why is that important to note? The reason why is because I just showed you a pre-owned shoe sold for $15 with $12 shipping. This pair of shoes will probably cost me anywhere between $10 to $13, okay? $10 to $13 to ship it. So if I charge somebody $12, I'm going to make probably about, let's just say I break even. So it cost me exactly $12 to ship this shoe. But being it's a brand new shoe, someone else sold it for $15 used, I think I could get between $20 and $25, right? It cost me $3. So $3 is going to cost me $5 for the cost of the unit plus eBay and PayPal fees. Then the shipping is covered. So I'm going to make anywhere between $15 and $20 profit selling this one pair of shoes. You get the idea. You get how it's profitable. Okay? So every pair of shoes you buy and sell, let's say you can average between $10 and $20 a pair. If that's the case, if you want to make $100, you need to sell between 5 and 10 pairs of shoes every single month. If you want to make $1,000 profit, well, you can do the math. It's very simple. Okay, the process is what takes the longest. You gotta go find the shoe. But let me give you a little bit of help. Let me show you where I like to go and buy my Nike shoes and where I like to buy any type of other shoes. And you can start going to those places as well. And then right after that, I'm going to show you what I look for in a pair of shoes, because not all the time are you finding a brand new pair of shoes. Okay, sometimes they are used. There was another pair that was like yellowed on the side, on the sole over here, on the outer sole. So I didn't buy that one. But if I would have, I could potentially make more money. So this is where I buy shoes. The best places to buy shoes, in my opinion, okay, are number one, outlet stores. Outlet stores such as Nike. It can be the Nike factory store, a Nike outlet. It could be could be Adidas outlet, an Under Armour outlet store. There's a lot of these outlet stores that sell these shoes for very inexpensive prices. So they may not be $3, but what if you could get a shoe very similar to this one, brand new Nike shoe with the box? What if you get it for $15, $20, $30, $40, but they sell for $80, $90, $100 plus? That's where you're going to make your $10, $15, $20 profit every single time. Another place, again, one of my favorites is Marshall's. Exactly where I bought this shoe, this pair of shoes. Okay, I actually bought others as well. However, they were not all Nike. Okay, some were other brands. I'm not going to talk about those in this video, but you get the idea. It doesn't matter what the brand is, just Nike is one of the most common, one of the most popular, and sells extremely well. Another place to go is Ross. Now, one thing you need to understand with Ross is you got to check their shoes very carefully. And after I read through this list, I'm going to explain what I mean by checking the shoes. Burlington's another great place you can find Nike shoes. Nordstrom Rack, in my opinion, is an incredible place. You can find some really good gems here. You just got to sift through all the shoes, sift through the sizes, make sure you find the right one. Now, for sizes, I recommend for women's shoes, anything from a size 6 to a size 9 does extremely well. For men's, anything between a size 9 and a size 11 does extremely well. Stick to those sizes and you'll be profitable in no time. Yard sales. Here's the thing. Some shoes do get used and they are sold as pretty much a like new shoe. What you need to understand is some people will buy shoes, and I do it myself. My wife does it, more than I do, but we will find a good deal at like a Nike outlet or a Marshalls or something. Like, wow, that's a cool shoe. I could probably use that. We could use that on our vacation. We could use that when we go, out to dinner or when we go on a date night or something like that. That would be a cool thing to pair with, those pair of pants or that shirt I have. And what normally happens is the shoe is still in the box, gets either pushed under the bed, gets shoved away in storage, gets stuck in the garage, something happens, and I never wear it. And so what happens? This happens all the time. People will then go and sell that shoe to try to recoup some of their money. That's why yard sales are an incredible place to go, because sometimes people will sell a brand new shoe they've never worn just because they don't need it. So, another place, pawn shops. People pawn Nike shoes all the time. The one brand I would stay clear of is Jordan brand. Those are shoes I will not buy at a pawn shop. The reason why is because a lot of times people will sell fake Jordans, and the pawn owners, they don't know. So they obviously try to resell them as well, get their money back, or at least make something. Okay? So stick to Nike, stick to other brands, but do not sell or do not buy Jordan brand shoes from pawn shops. Facebook and Craigslist and OfferUp, all three of those, very good places. Sometimes you can find some used shoes that do extremely well, but you just got to be on the lookout for certain things. And these are the things I highly recommend you watch out for, because they'll dictate how much the shoe can actually get. So let me explain something. First off, check the laces. Check the laces when you look at any pair of shoes. And the reason I say this, because if you look at a new pair of shoes and the laces are frayed, okay, the ends are not actually together, what that can tell you is that those shoes are probably not new. The laces are usually one of the first things that gets torn up, other than the sole. Another thing, check the hole where the actual laces go. check those, because when people shove the tip through it, okay, when they put the tip through it every single time, a lot of times what happens, especially if you push it out the back, is that spot right there will start to get ripped. There'll start to be little tears, some of the material will be frayed, and that is something people catch on to very quick. Another thing you want to look for on the entire sole, okay, right around here on the rim of the shoe, you want to make sure this whole thing, okay, is the same color. The reason why I say this is because, and I've seen it before at Marshalls, seen it at Nike, I've seen it at other outlet stores, seen it at, well, pretty much a lot of the stores, is that what happens is when the paper that gets put in the box gets laid on top of the white and it gets sunburnt, okay, so the sun pretty much bakes the color into the shoe, the part that's face up will turn yellow. So this would all be yellow right here, and then the other side is going to be white. Well, that's one indication that the shoe is not technically new. It's a defective shoe. It's damaged. And so if that's the case, don't try to sell a damaged shoe as brand new. Sometimes you can get that to clean up, get it to clean off a little bit of bleach, but you just got to make sure it doesn't get on the shoe. So make sure you clean it up really good, but in some cases, it will not go away. So if that's the instance, be careful, because you just bought something that you may not be able to sell. So let me give you one more tip. When you're out there buying shoes, okay, there's a lot of stuff you look for. Okay, like I said, you look at the rim of the shoe, look for the laces, look at the holes, look at the sole. Okay, what you're gonna notice is, see, this even has the price on it still, $40 from Marshalls. Okay, so what you need to understand is that people will try on the shoe. Okay, as long as the shoe isn't like a felt bottom, which I've seen a lot of shoes lately that are, you can clean them. You just get a little brush. You can get either a toothbrush or get one of those brushes for like your dishes, and just get a little bit of soap. Okay, do a little circular motions, and you can clean the bottom of the shoe. Let it dry before you put it in the box. You're good to go. Got a brand new shoe. So let me give you one more tip. Okay, most people that sell Nike shoes or other brands online, they take the box. So they'll have the box. They'll take their phone and they'll scan it to try to sell that item on Amazon. I do this exact same thing. But if you are not lazy and you're willing to put in a little bit of work, take pictures of the shoes and list them on eBay, you can make some more money. And being that so many people can't sell Nike on Amazon, there's no point to scan the barcode. All you gotta do is start to figure out, okay, if I can make $10 to $15 to $20 per pair of shoes I sell on eBay, how many shoes do I need to buy and sell in order to make the money I need to pay my rent or mortgage, to pay my car payment, all my living expenses, all my debts, everything? How much do I need? Because once you can figure that out, I guarantee you got a business on your hand. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. So if you are serious about making money on Amazon or eBay and would just sell Nike shoes, I highly recommend you do it. This is a business that anybody can get into. You can make a lot of money. You can sell new shoes. You can sell used shoes. You can stick to a specific brand. But what I'm telling you is get out there, start making that money, because I'm guaranteeing you it's out there. You just have to look, all right? So if you guys have any questions on how to make money selling Nike shoes online, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on how to buy and sell stuff and make money online, okay? And I'll do more videos on that. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.